How to fix permanently suspended Twitter account. If any day your Twitter or the X account is permanently suspended and you want to solve it but do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to go to the Google Chrome on your mobile device. After you go to the Google Chrome on your mobile device, you have to go to the search like icon there and search Help X account. And after you tap on Help X account there, you can see an interface like this. You have to wait for a while until it loads because sometimes it may be the problem of your very internet connection out there. After that, you can tap on the option of helpcenterx.com. After you tap on helpcenterx.com, you can see an interface like this. Now you can also see the very screen where someone can show did someone say cookies. You can go to the option of refuse the non-essential topics and all of those about here. You can see the very option of about the suspended accounts. You have to tap on about the suspended accounts. Now here is an article of all of those. You can just read it as well. And then you have to go to the option of file an appeal and tap on file an appeal. After you tap on file an appeal, you can see an interface like this. Now you can see the very option like you are not currently logged in. Therefore, what you have to do is you have to first log in. So you can tap on the option of get help logging in, and after tapping on get help logging in, you can request a new password, or you can also go to the very option of password request form and tap on password request form. After you tap on password request form, you have to wait for a while until you see an interface like this. Now here you have to tap on your email, phone number or the username and go to the option of search. And after you go to the option of search, and there'll be soon various help like post from which you can just take your password back and you can just make your very suspended Twitter account there unsuspended. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.